Hello besties. What do we have here? We have Mama. Mom is here. Yeah, and we are tunatoanisha minji. This is cowpeas. So today is on, Eve's day of Christmas, and as tradition tumezoea, like, we cook on Eve's day, and then sasa come on Christmas day, which will be tomorrow. Sijui yenu itakuwa lini when you be watching this video. Tunakula, kuna story ya, cooking, nini, it's just eating and relaxing. We really love, cowpeas, eating cowpeas. It's, it's Kikuyu, one of the best meals. Watu pika when, celebrating or having occasions. Yeah, so join us as we prepare for Christmas. Mwone food yenye tutaandalia.
Although mi sipendi minji.
Yeah, but then my sister hapendi minji. She prefers nini green grams. Mi sipendi green grams.
Yeah, mi napenda green grams. Zinakuanga sweet.
Mi sizipendi just Kaza ikuwe na nyama pale. Gadhufu afu, potatoes.
Hey, that's not
but miss, I don't love chapatis, imagine. But so then, we want to do chapatis.
Mama atufanye chapo. Na mwenye napenda chapo za mama anapikanga chapo supu. Mama tunapika chapo.
Nimwambia si distress. Mama utataka tupike tano.
Mimi nimeamua kupikia tu nyama ya kuku.
Yeah, and rice definitely.
Yeah, definitely.
You slap fit na mukimo. Oh my goodness, guy. Hiyo ukienda kwa nini sherehe yote ya Kikuafu ukose. Ai, mmechukiwa. Yes, thank you mom. Yeah, how do you call unakosaji mukimo and minji? You guys, I need to say this.
Yeah,
my special message is, guys, this Christmas is another one, and tuko down kabisa, and leo tumekuwa down walai because we are used to be at home with dad. Saito maybe tumechinja mbuzi and or maybe kuku, and occasion unaifeeling, but say he's not there. Atuko home, atujipata justice, so unaona it's hard kwenda home, kukula Christmas. So this is what we can do for now, and msijali wenye anyone who has lost a parent. Actually, I have friends when you ame lose mzazi, and they they post kwa status zao, they be like, this is another Christmas without my parents. Msijali, we in this together.
Ati wengine wakienda ushago,
mtu hana
you are not alone.
You are not alone. Na this is what I'm telling you. Aki kama umeboeka na una feel like nini wengine wanaenda, come. I'm inviting you all. Kujeni tukule.
Because I understand your pain. Right now, before I couldn't have understood your pain, now you're facing through. But now, now your shoe and
guys, wacha tu. That shit hurts. Aki inaumanga. Times tutakuwa tu unakumbuka and then unalia tu bure. It's true. So inviting mabeshte wenu oye, check up on them. Hii festive season is caring, and sharing chenye uko nayo and spreading love. Mtu asifeel left out.
Make someone smile today.
True.
Wanunulie ka gifts if you treasure them.
True. And yes, spend quality time, waite mu invite, mkule pamoja. Yeah.
So anyway, so the next thing tutaonyesha tukipika. Continue subscribing.
So guys, you can see ina turn golden brown. Hatutaki tena iungue. Hata ni kwamba punguza moro kidogo tutaongezea. So we start kuweka nini zetu. Though I see watu wengine they start with the ingredients ndo like the spices ndo ziive, but it's for me anyway do your shit. So we start kuweka our yummy.
I can't wait to eat the gizzard.
Ati this butcherman, my butcherman,
ametunyima roho.
Gosh. Ametunyima roho. Oh my god, you guys have to be careful. Tutapunguza juu utaungua.
Utaungulia huko.
Tutamenya na mafuta. So, pasta. You unaweka nyama as you stir. Ya ndo mafuta ingiliane. As you can see. Tuongeze sasa ni guys. Tunaweka. Weke nyama yako ndani. Easy.
I like to be away my patient. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it.
So guys, tunaangalia if the gizzard is ready. Watu wengine hawezi chill.
Yeah. Kama mimi.
Yeah, kama yeye. And this is our liver.
Mama anapenda liver
Sana. So
tunaitoa gizzard.
Yeah, this is what we normally do. Lazima tuitoe tukule before tuchini nyama hiyo nyingine iive. So that's the liver guys.
Mpaka I'm salivating.
Mama hivi ameingia akasema, "Gai, kuna nukia firi." Oh my god. Sasa gizzard yako tutadu. What shall we do? So guys, I have to go the trouble. All this trouble kutafutia sister gizzard, you see. Nyama sasa ni kurudisha. I hope sister still.
Yeah.
Hopefully. Pole too slowly. This is the kienyeji way, don't mind. Bora hivi. Yeah. And that's it. Yeah. So we are going to add some more heat. So we are going to leave it. Well, don't blame us guys. The Kikuyu in us. We
can't allow.
But then you know my mom is half Kikuyu, half Embu. I grow up nikijua like my mom is poorly Embu, but shock on me she's half Kikuyu, half Mwembu.
Maveni.
Aki ya Mungu. Na mama ni mbaya sana. Mom, unaweza tulia ukituambia ni Mwembu kabisa kumbe ni Mkikuyu. Half caste. Mom ni mbaya.
Fiona. Kaiko here. Wow. Go kali.
Haya tulioleta tunakau. Hakuna nini chumvi.
Tutatola.
Nunca chumvi.
Thank you.
Welcome back.
Nice food.
Pia kumekuwa na giza.
Kumekuwa na giza. It's late guys, but si late sana.
Mtamu
sana.
Chumvi. They're already cooked. The meat. Nimekula nikabakisha tu hii mifupa. I'm taking it to my poppy cup. The minji is ready. You can see this for mokimo.
Ready for steam.
Yeah, mama naosha
Maize.
kupika mokimo. Let's see what my sister she's doing over here. That's where my mom was seated. Fanya nini? Oh my god.
We don't have a mesh wire. We don't have a mesh wire. At home we had one, and Leo we forgot to buy it. So we just, you know, improvise
What you have.
but it's working. Lazima uchanuke. It's working.
See,
Napenda ikiwa crunchy. Do you know guys what's my favorite part ya kuku ni gani? Mtacheka. Mabawa.
Mabawa. Nipe
Yeah.
mabawa.
Asante Mungu kwa kipawa.
We're going to end the vlog hapa.
Yeah.
Tell them something, sister.
Guys, ciao ciao.
Bye.
Adios.
We can-